Today, our little adventurers are in for a splashing good time. Meet Bubbles, Giggles, Squeaky, and Tiny, 4 adorable babies ready for their first water park experience. Look at them go! Bubbles and Giggles are zooming down the straight slide. Oh my! Squeaky's puppy is trying to join in on the fun. What a silly pup. Tiny seems a bit nervous about the big swirly slide. It's okay to be scared, Tiny. The other babies are cheering Tiny on. What great friends. Wow, Tiny did it. Look at that big smile. Now they're all racing down the multi-lane slides. Who will win? It's a photo finish. They're all winners in my book. Time for a break. The babies are splashing in the kiddie pool with their floaties. Look at how much fun they're having. Uh-oh, Giggles' kitty is trying to stay dry. Cats and water don't mix. Look out! The kitty accidentally turned on the splash pad. What a funny surprise. The babies are having a blast in the spraying water. Even the kitty seems to be enjoying it now. Bubbles has discovered the lazy river. Round and round she goes. The other babies join in, creating an adorable baby train in the water. Oh no! Squeaky dropped his rubber ducky. Will he get it back? Teamwork to the rescue. The babies work together to catch up to the ducky. Success. Squeaky is reunited with his beloved toy. Friendship saves the day. Time for one last adventure, the big water coaster. Up, up, up they go. The view from the top is amazing. Here they come. Whoosh, what a thrilling ride. Look at those big smiles. They loved every second of it. As the sun sets, our tired but happy babies head home. What a wonderful day of firsts, fun, and friendship. Remember, little ones, being brave doesn't mean you're never scared. It means you don't let fear stop you from having fun. And always remember, with good friends by your side, any adventure is possible.